Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a camera timer on iOS 26. If you want to set a camera timer, go to the camera app, then just continue, select probably the photo, right? Then click on it again and you'll see this screen, or click on these 6 circles in top right corners, and now just select timer. You can very simply set it to whatever you like, and now as I start taking a photo, it'll count down from 3, and now the photo was taken. And I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.